Okay, in this video, I'm gonna talk about the med or metric attribute. So, med is useful between autonomous systems. So in this case, we are gonna configure med between AES 65010 and AES 65001. So it is useful between autonomous systems. So AES 65001 will not communicate it with other autonomous systems like 65009 or 65002. And MED is the same with metric. When you do a show IP BGP command on the router, so let's say on ISP on R2, when you do a show IP BGP, the metric column in the output is med. It's metric. It's not going to be med. And of course, lower is better, and default is 0. So if you've watched my previous videos, you'll see that I'm using almost the same topology, but I added another link. In this case, this is a 250 Mbps link, and this is the network 192.81.8.8/30. So let's take a look at how we can configure med or metric attribute. So on router 2, we're gonna influence the inbound traffic by using med, because we can't configure ISP1 or ISP2. So this is how we would configure it. So we just have to create a route map. So in this case, this is the route map, the name of the route map, set med 100, and this is how you set the metric. So med or metric is the same, so 100. And like I said earlier, lower is better, so we're gonna just apply this route map to the neighbor. So in this case, we're gonna apply it to this neighbor 192.81.1.10, because the link is just 250 meg. Of course, we want to, sorry about the dog, because we want to choose this link here, which is 1 gig. So we want to apply the route map to this neighbor. So this is how you apply the route map, the name of the route map, and of course in the outbound direction. So this neighbor here will have a metric of 100, and by default this neighbor here, that's 6, will have a metric of 0 because default is 0. And of course you want to clear the BGP session. We're doing a clear IP BGP star, meaning that you're not specifying the neighbors. In soft, you want to add this if you don't want to tear down all your BGP neighborships or peerings. So yeah, once you have configured this on router 2, you can actually, let's just say that for verification purposes, let's just say that you have you have access to ISP1. So you're just gonna have to, to verify, show IP BGP, and you will see that that in order for ISP1 to send traffic to, let's say, to this network here, it's gonna choose this link here because it's got a metric of 0. Of course, other attributes are set to default. So yeah, that's how you would configure the med or metric attribute. So yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.